Welcome back. Today we are going to see how to search for a charger uh, on Bolt Earth app for simple one and ultraviolet. So first of all, you need to open the application and you have to be logged in. Then go to the account section, go to my vehicle and then add vehicle. Click here, click on two-wheeler and then search for simple. Click on simple and then as per your variant, choose the actual variant that you have. So 5 kilowatt Gen 2 is HS version, and this is the Ultra version 1S, and this is the older one which has been discontinued, and this is the first generation. And here it actually shows which generation it is. So select it, add it. You don't need to add any registration number or nickname. Click on add vehicle. Once you have done this, go back, go to maps. You have a filter option over here. Click on this and then select two-wheeler here. Okay, and then go to connector, select type 6. Again go here, clear vehicle type to select saved. Okay, so either you can select two-wheeler or you can remove it and then select the vehicle that you have. So this is my vehicle and my vehicle's name is Panther simple one Gen 2. I'll select this and then connector, go to type 6 and apply. Once you do that, you can zoom out and zoom into the place where you are visiting or the nearby place, and it will show you this charger type, this charger here on the map. Click on this. Once you click on this, it will show you all the vehicles that have been supported on this charger. Like for example, here there is Ather, Ola, Ultraviolet and Simple. You can click on checklist and you'll see the supported vehicles, and I will show you other chargers as well which do not support the simple one. So there are some owners who have not updated their chargers to work with the other vehicles. Let me clear this. Let me see here. So here there was one charger which only supported Ola, but I think that person has removed it from the list or made it private. So let's remove the vehicle from here. Let's select two-wheeler and let's select type 6. Okay, so if you go there is that charger now. Let's remove this, only select type 6 and 3 pin. Again zoom out. Oh, this is a 3 pin charger, and there was one more here somewhere. Yes, sector 20 I guess. Oh, let's do one thing. There's one over here. Okay, even this supports Ola, Ultraviolet and Simple, but this doesn't support Ather, and this is because Bolt has two types of chargers in Blaze DC. One is with type 7 and type 6, both the adapters, and one is only, actually they have three variants. One has type 6 and type 7 adapter, and one is with type 7 only and one is with type 6 only. So this one particularly has only type 6, which supports Ola, Simple Energy and Ultraviolet, and it doesn't support the type 7 charger which the Ather supports. Let's check the other ones in Bangalore or somewhere in the south. So we have this charger and this one, if you see, not this one. So Okay, so most of the chargers have been updated, but you need to make sure that it says compatible over here, and then you need to visit that place. If it doesn't shows that your vehicle is compatible, don't visit that place. It would be waste of time. Again, see this here. So this says Ola and ultraviolet, but simple one or simple energy is not supported because ultraviolet had tied up with Bolt before simple energy, and they had released a software update for their Blaze DC charger, and they updated their chargers. So this owner must have updated to that version, and which is why it doesn't show simple energy. So if the owner of this charging station updates it to the latest version, it will support simple energy as well. So this is the type 6 only, or the type 7. Okay, this is the type 7 one, and I'll show you the one which has both. Okay, there's no photo of it. Okay, so let's go back to Mumbai, where this is the charger, which the owner itself has an ultraviolet bike, and he has taken this charger and put it for public use, and this supports both. So if you see this side is for type 7 and this side is for type 6, and ultraviolet and simple energy as well as Ola supports type 6 port. And this has two wires coming from down, so there are two ports. This wire has gone into his ultraviolet vehicle, and the one on the left is for the ether, and the other one you have already seen, which was for a single port. So here if you see this one, okay, no photo has been uploaded. Let's see this one, or this. So this one supports Ola and Aether. See, so this has not been updated to the latest version of the software. And if you select only 3 pin, let's go here, remove this, only select 3 pin, and if you see here, there's one 3-pin charger. Okay, this has been updated. If the software has not been updated, and it shows a message here to visit the place, and okay, so you see this 3-pin, it shows one lock. If you click on this, okay, not the lock, it has to be a gift box over it. Let me see if we can find something else, some other place where it shows gift box, or this one here, this one, see, gift box, which means this has not been updated. Add feature photos and get reward. So this charging station has not been updated, and they need photos of the charger, latest photos. So same way it will show that it needs to be updated, and the owner needs to be informed. So if it is nearby your place, you can visit that place and inform the owner to update the charger. So this is how you choose the charger where you need to charge your vehicle. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day.